So, good afternoon to everyone. First of all, let me thank all of you for being present here today. On behalf of the COHiTEC team, it is a great honor to be here presenting you Green Crops, our soil remediation through biomass production project. But what is Green Crops all about? With Green Crops, we are primarily interested in addressing three problems at one single shot. The first problem we are addressing is that biofuel producers need cheaper raw materials. In fact, due to the need to reduce soil dependency and CO2 emissions, biofuel demand is increasing all over the world, but this is still an expensive solution. In the words of a Portuguese biofuel producer, they say that when the biomass price is too high, we have to choose not to buy and thus stop our production. The second problem we are addressing, and this is not just COHiTEC suggesting, but the World Bank stating in 2008, large increases in biofuel production are the main reason behind the steep rise in global food prices. Last but not least, brownfield landowners need cheaper remediation solutions. As a matter of fact, there are more than 100 million hectares of brownfields in the world, and these lands best used may be disabled by contamination. Unfortunately for owners, common remediation methods are very expensive and may cost up to 300 euros per square meter. So, how will we manage all this together with one single solution? And the answer is through green crops. Green crops are energy-rich crops produced in degraded land for use in the biofuel industry. These energy-rich crops include maize, sugarcane, sunflower, or soybean, as you can see there in the picture. An interesting feature is that crop growth in contaminated land enables the phytoremediation of the soil for diverse contamination scenarios. But how is this possible, to grow crops in contaminated land? Well, that can be explained by our underlying technology, which uses specific associations between plants, mycorrhizal fungi, and plant growth promoting rhizobacteria. But now let's look at what the advantages this technology brings us. Regarding biomass production, the use of the aforementioned associations give us enhanced plant resistance to contaminants, and this allows COHiTEC to obtain in contaminated land crop yields that are similar to those actually obtained by competitors in fertile land. In addition, biomass production cost is up to 40% lower than competitors. This is mainly due to savings in land rent and fertilizer costs. With green crops, we believe we will give a contribution to solve the actual food versus fuel dilemma. Regarding the remediation side of our business, green crops can increase pollutant uptake up to 80% when comparing with other phytoremediation processes. This is also due to our specific association between bacteria and fungi, and this leads to a faster remediation. Also, green crops is an inexpensive solution when comparing with the traditional remediation methods. In COHiTEC, we believe in natural solutions and work hard to have nature on our side. I hope that this short presentation has given you a clear view about green crops and all its advantages. Should you have any question regarding the product, please feel free to reach us through email or near our poster in the coffee break. Thanks for your attention.